Greetings everyone, today I've got a quick guide for you on how to record calls on your iPhone. Whether it's an online call or an offline one, I'll walk you through the steps. Make sure to stick around till the end and follow along to make the process seamless. So, let's dive right in. Now, when it comes to recording online calls, such as those on WhatsApp or Messenger, it's pretty straightforward. Open your control center by swiping down from the upper right corner of the screen. Look for the screen recording button. Tap it and voila! You're now recording your online calls. But, and it's a significant but, when it comes to recording offline calls, unfortunately, there's no free native way to do it on the iPhone. I know, it's a bit of a bummer, even though there are various apps on the App Store claiming to be a free call recorders, most of them have hidden costs. If you head to the App Store and search for call recorder, you'll find many, but be cautious. Many of them are paid services. So, currently, there's no straightforward free solution for recording offline calls on your iPhone. The only viable option for now is capturing those online calls through the screen recording feature. And there you have it, quick and concise. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and consider subscribing for more useful insights. If you have any questions or if there's a specific topic you'd like me to cover, drop a comment below. Thanks for tuning in and until next time, happy recording. Bye bye.